6 days into December. Excuse me? Yo. I don't know how to say your name. Chap. What's good, Chap? Surely she pushed the wrong button. That's what I'm saying. Legit. I got Jess in here, and I got Sarah gifting me 50 subs. I legit feel like Aussie Antics right now. I got Booty Head with the like. I legit feel like Aussie Antics right now. Like, what the frick? Alright. Alright. Let me tee the frick up right now. I need better loot. I need better loot. The guy's name was Jerkface. Stupid jerk. Oh, I'm just dead, bro. I died to the Rizzler. GG's the Rizzler. Who just died to somebody else. Okay. Alright, wait, I need to tee up. What the frick? I'm 75%. What does that mean? Get a dub. All right, Sarah. Let me get a dub real quick. Let me tee up. Like, chill. Like, what the frick? Chat. We're at... Should we keep track of this? We're at 81 subs today. I got you, Sonya. About to hit me with some pennies. I'll take pennies. I like pennies. Pennies are good. Like, what the all right, we'll put it on here. Chat, we hit 80 subs today. Should we do it? What the frick? Booty with the 5. Let's go. Nah, y'all are actually so... You guys are actually so goofy for this too. We hit a level 1 hype train. And then y'all freaking start acting up immediately after. Get in the banana suit? Is that still a thing? I don't know that that's still a thing, Noah. I don't know that that's still a thing. Okay, my drop is god awful. I'm teeing up, chat. This is the real house you need to go to. Only OGs realize this. Hey, one sec. Can you give me a sec? Oh my gosh. Chat, I'm full teed. Hey. Huh? What's the hat for? For you. Why am I wearing a hat? Because you need to. What's wrong with my... No, you just need to put a hat on. Why? Because it's funny. They want the banana suit, I'm giving you a hat. Sonya told me I have to wear this hat in honor of the what are we calling this? Goofy behavior. I don't know, chat. Oh my gosh. You support it? Y'all are freaking goofballs. Forgot how. Oh my gosh, the slurp only gets me to 125. I thought it was gonna get me a lot more than that. I'm not gonna lie. I thought it was. I keep taking way too much damage trying to double pump, chat. I keep getting too much damage. If I win, this is my lucky hat. I feel like Ruthless right now. Ruthless used to always wear a beanie. Okay, that's 4 elims. That's pretty good. I could have sworn I saw somebody. I did see somebody. Have to hype train? You guys did it literally 5 seconds after my hype train ended. Booty, you guys did it 5 seconds after my hype train ended. The little bank shot, make him panic. This guy's not actually kind of real.